Let me be honest with you. Studying used to feel like punishment, like something I had to force myself to do every single day. I would sit down at my desk, open my textbook, and within 5 minutes, my mind was somewhere completely else. Sound familiar? What if I told you that studying addiction is not a personality trait some people are born with? It is a skill, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. Step 1, stop trying to motivate yourself. This sounds counterintuitive, but motivation is actually the worst place to start. Motivation is an emotion, and emotions are unreliable. They come and go based on how much sleep you got, what you ate, whether someone was rude to you today. The students who are genuinely addicted to studying don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They show up whether they feel like it or not because the system makes it easy to start. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Stop waiting to feel ready and just open the book. Step 2, make starting stupidly easy. Your brain resists studying because it sees it as a massive, overwhelming task. So shrink it until your brain has no reason to resist. Tell yourself you are only going to study for 2 minutes. Not 25, not an hour. 2 minutes. This is called the 2-minute rule, and it is devastatingly effective. Because once you start, your brain shifts into focus mode automatically. The hardest part is always the first 30 seconds. After that momentum takes over and 2 minutes becomes 20, becomes 2 hours without you even noticing. Step 3, design a trigger for your brain. Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. It is constantly looking for triggers, signals that tell it what mode to be in. Right now, your brain probably has 0 triggers for studying. So create one. Every single time you study, do the same sequence before you start. Make a specific drink. Put on specific music. Open a specific app. Sit in a specific spot. Do this consistently for 2 weeks. And something remarkable happens. The moment you start that sequence, your brain automatically shifts into focus mode before you even open a single book. You have essentially programmed your own studying reflex. Step 4, track everything obsessively. Here is something nobody talks about. One of the most powerful drivers of study addiction is visible progress. When you can see yourself improving, it becomes genuinely exciting to keep going. Start tracking your study sessions. Track your grades, track your habits, track your streaks. The moment you see data showing you are getting better, and you will, your brain releases dopamine and starts craving more of that feeling. Progress is addictive, and the students who become obsessed with studying are almost always the ones who can see their progress clearly in front of them. This is actually why I built my Notion student planner. I needed one place where I could see everything. My study sessions, my grades improving week by week, my habits building up, my assignment completion rate. When it is all organized and visible in one dashboard, your brain stops feeling overwhelmed and starts feeling motivated. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. Step 5, use the reward your brain already has. Dopamine is released when you anticipate a reward, not just when you receive it. This means you can train your brain to release dopamine at the start of a study session just by consistently pairing it with something you enjoy. Study for 30 minutes, then watch one YouTube video you actually want to watch. Study for an hour, then eat your favorite snack. Your brain will start connecting studying with reward and actually begin to look forward to it. This is not a hack. This is literally how behavioral conditioning works. Step 6, find your study identity. The most powerful shift you can make is going from I am someone who has to study to I am someone who loves to learn. Identity drives behavior more than any other factor. Start calling yourself a student who enjoys the process. Surround yourself with content about learning. Follow StudyGram accounts. Watch Study With Me videos. Read about people who love what they study. your brain will start to conform to the identity you feed it. Within weeks, you will notice studying starts to feel less like a burden and more like a natural part of who you are. Step 7, remove friction completely. Every obstacle between you and studying is a reason for your brain to quit. Your phone on your desk is friction. A messy, disorganized study space is friction. Not knowing what to study next is friction. Scattered notes across 5 different apps is friction. The students who study effortlessly have eliminated every single point of friction from their environment. Clean desk, phone in another room, one organized system with everything they need. When studying becomes the path of least resistance, your brain will naturally choose it. The truth is, studying addiction is not about discipline or intelligence or being born a certain way. It is about building the right environment, the right systems, and the right identity. Start with one step from this video, just one, and watch how quickly everything starts to change.